How to fix on-stream app not working? The warning you are seeing is part of major anti-piracy and crackdown by Amazon on Fire TV device, and on-stream has been especially and identified as on app. This provide access to uncached and content which you are we receiving this message, and why this is helping is Amazon new policy since last 2025, Amazon has aggressively targeted third-party streaming apps. This has progressed from the showing warning to blocking apps from launching and new preventing the installation of these apps entirely on my Fire TV device. And app identification, Amazon identifies and this is app in permanent primarily by the package names, and on stream is on there is list of the blocked apps alongside and other like cinema and BTV and film plus your option launch anyway. We uninstall this warning give you a temporary option to launch anyway, but this might not last. Many users report this is option innovatively despair living on the uninstall button. Potential workaround, and the most common workaround is to use a version of the app that has been modified with you different package name to evade and detection, or to use an app cloning tools. And however this is methods are not always reliable and require some technical know how. Switch to alternative. My users are switching to an app called mobiflix, which and is reportedly made by the same developer on stream and for offers an nearly identical and experience but different package name that is currently bypassing the block.